never knowing what lies ahead. We can really never tell it all. No, no, no. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or a friend. Sometimes we never could understand why some things begin then just end. We can really never have it all. No, no, no. But oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and on. And so baby, just smile, 'cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies, colors, listen to the birds that were sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain. Naalala ko pa nung nililigawan pa lamang kita, dadalaw tuwing gabi. Masilayan lamang ang iyong mga ngiti at ika'y sasabihan bukas ng alas 7 sa dating tagpuan. Buo ang araw ko, marinig ko lang ang mga himig mo. Hindi ko man alam kung nasan ka, wala man tayong komunikasyon. Maghihintay sa'yo buong magdamag, dahil ikaw ang buhay ko. Kung inakala mo ang pag-ibig ko'y mababago, itaga mo sa bato. Dumaan man ang maraming Pasko, kahit na di mo nabot ang sahig, kahit na di mo na ako marinig, ikaw pa rin ang buhay ko.